Welcome to Delta 4x4, off-road since 1980.
Hi, welcome back. I'm Mia and this is Seb, and today we want to show you our Landcruiser.
Yeah, welcome. This is the new Landcruiser, the J25, and today we will show you all the products, all the parts we mounted, the lift kits, the fender flares and so on.
Let's start on the front. Here we mounted a front bar in black matte with a diameter of 76 millimeters.
A big advantage on this front bar is that this bar has a EC certificate, so you don't have to drive for TUV or something else. So you can just mount this bar and drive, and you can also mount, for example, the PIA headlights. They also have a EC certificate, and these are the PIA RF6, so these are 6-inch long, and you can mount them also on your front bar, and the whole combination is EC certificated. Here we mounted a worn winch, and this one is very strong. This one can tow 5.4 tons.
Here we mounted the underride protection. It comes with the body lift kit. If you have an original car without the body lift kit, we have also a solution for that.
So now you can see, of course, the big wheels on the side, and to mount such big wheels we mounted two lift kits, one body lift kit of 50 millimeters and one 45 millimeter suspension from Reiger. So it's the complete suspension system and it's also adjustable. We will make an extra video about that. Then there was enough space to mount big wheels and rims. We used there an 18-inch rim, that's our Hamner in 9 to 18 inch with an exchangeable ring, and used a 35-inch BF Goodrich alternate tire, that's the KO2. Soon there will be the KO3, then we will change it, because the whole car is a cooperation between BF Goodrich and a delta4x4. The tires are also very wide and the rim comes wide out of the car. We mounted our fender flares. That's a really easy system because you can just easily change them from original to delta4x4 fender flares. They are wider than stock and they cover the rim and the wheel, of course.
Let's continue with the roof rack. It's from Frontrunner. On the front we mounted two 40-inch PIA lights. In total we mounted 4 recovery boards, 1 spare tire and 2 jelly cans and 2 boxes. On the back we mounted round PIA lights just to show you what's possible.
So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, then please just write a comment or just call us, write an email, write a DM, whatever, and give us some thumbs up, of course.
See you next time.
Bye!